Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and basic access. Plug in or reconnect the mic, then open System Settings, go to Privacy or Sound where mic access is managed. Once there, make sure the specific device appears and is selected as the input. You should set input volume to a moderate level, about 50 to 75%, so the system can detect signal. If an app asks for permission, grant it. This prevents system-level muting. Now proceed to system-level toggles and drivers. Once you have permission, dive into sound controls. Open sound settings and unmute the master input and any app-specific inputs. Some apps get muted separately. Next, check Device Manager or Audio Settings to ensure the microphone is enabled and not disabled by the OS. Update or reinstall the audio driver if it looks broken. Also, examine exclusive mode settings. Disabling exclusive control can free the mic for multiple apps. Restart the audio service, or reboot the machine to apply driver and setting changes. Finish by testing the mic in a simple, trusted app and in the System Mic Test utility. This verifies the path from hardware to software. If the mic still seems muted, recheck privacy permissions and reinstall any app that refuses to access the device. As a final troubleshooting step, create a new user account or rollback to a previous audio driver to isolate whether the issue is profile-specific or drive-related. If that fails, try another microphone to determine whether the hardware itself is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.